In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make $150 per day with something as simple as an iPhone. You might have clicked on this video and thought to yourself that this method of making money is just too good to be true, but I want you guys to put those feelings aside when you watch today's video, because so far in the month of July, I have already been able to make over $1,000 using the methods that I am going to teach in today's video. So how I make $150 a day with something as simple as an iPhone is I do something known as iPhone reselling. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically the process of buying iPhones at under market value and reselling them on a platform like eBay or Facebook Marketplace for a market value price, and then you make a profit. The hardest part of this business model is actually getting the phones to resell for a profit and getting them cheap enough so you can actually make money on them. But luckily, I have a system for getting phones for extremely cheap. I'm basically posting ads on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist saying that I pay cash for iPhones or Apple products in general. And when people come to me with their devices to sell, I offer them $50 to $100 under market value for their device so I can resell that device for a profit. A lot of times people say no to my lowball offer, but if I'm consistently getting enough people to come to me with their devices, some of them will eventually say yes if they're motivated enough. I hope that little summary gave you guys a pretty good idea of the business that I am currently running. I also have a ton of other videos teaching you guys how to resell iPhones on my channel. So if you're interested in getting into the iPhone reselling business, go ahead and check some of those videos out after this video ends. I will have it kind of linked towards the end of this video if you guys are interested. But anyways, everybody, today I'm going to be kind of walking you guys through / showing you as I make $150 in profit reselling both this iPhone X 64GB unlocked and this iPhone 8 Plus 64GB cracked back bad ESN. So we're first going to start things off with the iPhone 8 Plus. I've actually been getting a lot of cracked back bad ESN 8 Pluses recently, and a lot of them have also been product red. So I'm kind of getting deja vu continuously buying and reselling these phones. But anyways, I picked this device up for $120 off of a Facebook Marketplace ad that I posted. These phones are going for between $230 and $240 on eBay. And with the damage back on this phone and also the major scratching over here on the screen, I think eBay would probably be the best place for me to sell this iPhone 8 Plus. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take some pictures of this iPhone 8 Plus and I'm going to go ahead and list it on eBay. The iPhone 8 Plus right here is now listed on eBay for $234.99. Since I picked it up for $120, I'm going to make about $81 profit after accounting for eBay fees and shipping costs. So everyone, I'm going to go ahead and keep you guys updated on how this phone sells. Hopefully it sells pretty quickly, but I will let you guys know how it goes. Next, we are going to move on to selling this iPhone X 64GB unlocked. This phone is in pristine condition. It has almost no scratching on the screen, no scratching on the back, and it is an unlocked device. So it literally makes the perfect phone for just the regular iPhone user. And for that reason, I'm going to go ahead and sell this device locally. I'm going to list it on Craigslist, and I'm going to list it on Facebook Marketplace. I should be able to get about $500 cash for this device, and I only paid $390 for it, so it should be a really good profit, especially if I'm able to sell it locally. So I'm going to go ahead and list this device right now. The iPhone X is officially listed on both Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist for $500. If I ended up selling it at full price, I will make $110 in profit, which is not bad at all. I will keep you guys updated on if either the iPhone 8 Plus sells or if I have a potential buyer for the iPhone X. We're kind of playing the waiting game right now, but I'm sure I'll get back to you guys soon with some action regarding phone sales. Okay everyone, so a little bit of an update. It's been about a day since I've checked in with you guys last, and both of these phones have ended up selling on eBay. Since this iPhone X was not really selling locally, it wasn't getting that much interest, I ended up listing it on eBay for $549.99, and it ended up selling, which is awesome. It sold at full price. I got $549.99 for that phone, and then with this 8 Plus, I ended up selling it for $229.99. I did have it listed for $234.99, but it wasn't getting any interest, so I lowered it $5, and bam, it sold. So I'm gonna go ahead and ship both of these phones out and secure the profit. Alright everyone, so the phones are all packaged and ready to go. I'm going to go ahead, bring them to the post office right now, and I'm going to secure the profit on them. Okay everyone, so I just went inside the post office and shipped the two phones. I'm going to be going home really quick, and then I'm going to be talking to you guys about exactly how much profit I made on both of those phone flips. Alright everyone, so I am back home now, and it is official. I have secured the profit on the iPhone X and the iPhone 8 Plus. I ended up making a profit of $77.33 on the cracked back iPhone 8 Plus after eBay fees and shipping. And on the iPhone X, I ended up making a profit of $85.73 after fees on eBay and shipping. So I made a total of $163.06 reselling just two phones today. It was a really good day of iPhone reselling. And I'm telling you guys, the flipping game is real. You can make so much money buying and reselling things. It doesn't have to be iPhones. You can literally make money buying and reselling anything. For me, I just like to buy and resell iPhones. That's how I make my money. That's what I enjoy to do. But guys, I think that's gonna about wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to drop a like. Leave me a comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed today's video, and check out more content on the Financial Wolf channel. Peace out.